empowerment of Arab Health is going to be a lot different this year. What has happened is the pandemic has changed the whole landscape of the healthcare. Now, the patients are not limited when they want to avail the services in the healthcare environment. They are not limited to the four walls of the hospital. A lot of factors that have walked in, like telemedicine, and like you may have heard of that. Patients, can avail the services of the doctor at the touch of a button. So there's so much happened, right, in recent times. So what is the initiative Leader Healthcare is trying to do in this whole ecosystem is to integrate healthcare solutions. And what we're going to do during the Arab Health is we're going to bring the array of the wellness, the products that's focused all around the wellness of the patient. Patient is going to be our focus. So we want to take the patient through a journey and have the whole process and smoothen like the diagnostic or the treatment protocols and work along with the stakeholders in the region. I think when it comes to innovation, we are still looking around at what are the hurdles, what are the obstacles globally, and what we have also learned is like if you notice that the medical errors or medical negligence is playing a much bigger role in terms of like the hurdles, like say when we talk about the globally, WHO has estimated that about like $52 billion are being spent in the medical negligence cost, right? So ultimately it boils down to the patient safety. And so what Leader Healthcare has taken initiative that how we can significantly reduce the medical error, and that can only happen with enhanced training programs. Like so at Leader Healthcare, we have got a team of educators. We have got a business environment that's called as a simulation in healthcare environment. By advanced simulators, we can train the healthcare professionals from a nurse to a paramedic to a physician, or also get involved in like say institutions where such kind of trainings are necessary. So that's what where Leader Healthcare is playing a larger role here to again like provide them the requisite programs in terms of training. The healthcare trends that we are talking about today is again the region is getting much more focused on the personalized medicine. We are working with regional stakeholders on the projects of genomics. We are also getting us involved in the professional services such as subject of sickle cell anemia in the region, how we can help to eliminate the sickle cell anemia. So bottom line is again all the innovation that's focused on the smoothen the patient journey. That's what Leader Healthcare is focused on. Another subject which is very important we talk about is like if you look at the medical negligence errors in the United States alone, it has costed them almost $20 billion in recent times. And what we are trying to do here is work along with again regional stakeholders or healthcare providers in helping their staff, whether it's a nurse, a paramedic, or physician, to get them involved in activity in training programs. So our focus will still be smoothen the journey that's around the patient. At Leader Healthcare, our mission is to practice with purpose. Our theme line is innovation is in our genes. We have got a research team that's watching the trends in healthcare globally. And what we want to do here is think locally, act globally. We are truly emerging as a global company in healthcare. And watch us out. Small businesses, if you can dream it, you can do it.